Good morning, children. We'll be continuing with the lesson Alice in the Wonderland. We have already done its question answers. Today we'll do the remaining exercises. The first exercise here is let's talk. This is a talking, discussing exercise. You'll discuss it with your friends or your brothers and sisters, and everybody can have a different answer. The first question is describe some of the sounds you hear at night. मतलब रात को आपको कौन सी आवाज़ें सुनाई देती हैं, साउंड्स कौन सी? तो दे कैन बी साउंड्स ऑफ इंसेक्ट्स, साउंड्स ऑफ व्हीकल्स, साउंड्स ऑफ people walking on the road, like this. The second, imagine you are Alice and your partner is a rabbit. What would you do? आपका पार्टनर अगर रैबिट है और आप एलिस हो तो आप क्या करोगे? So Alice followed the rabbit and jumped into the rabbit hole and went into and saw the wonderland. Not every child will do that. Some children are not so bold, so they will not fall into the rabbit hole. So think about it, and you have to your own answer. You don't have to write this, just discussion. Don't write this in the notebook. Third question is, what do you think Alice saw in the garden? बताइए एलिस ने गार्डन में क्या क्या देखा? तो दिस you know it is written in the story. She saw beautiful flowers, she saw cool fountains, and the garden was very beautiful, like this. Next is, how could Alice have got into the garden? Alice garden के अंदर कैसे जाती? You know that Alice was quite big and the door was very small and she could not enter into the garden. The only possibility was that Alice either the door became big or Alice became small. Now the next exercise is let's write. There are some meanings of the words. You have to find out the words from the lesson. First is to walk fast. Jaldi jaldi chalna. That is in the book it is with H. It is hurried. Happy, delighted. At once, quickly. It is with Q. Hint is given to you. Move fast, scamper. To think, wonder. To be seen nowhere, disappear. To be inquisitive, curious. Okay, all these words are in the lesson and you find out and write them. Now this is a interesting exercise. Some words are given: lovely, talking, listening, see, and center. What you have to do? You have to write the opposites of these describing words and make sentences with them. इनके आपको opposites लिखने हैं और फिर sentence बनाने हैं. तो first word is lovely. Lovely means beautiful. इसका opposite हो जाएगा ugly. Second word is talking यानी बोलना. तो बोलने का opposite होता है चुप हो जाना. That is silent. थर्ड इज लिसनिंग. लिसनिंग का मतलब सुनना, ध्यान देना. तो इसका ऑपोजिट हो जाएगा कि ध्यान नहीं देना और उसको इंग्लिश में हम बोलते हैं टू इग्नोर. एंड नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज सी. सी मतलब देखना और देखने का ऑपोजिट हो जाएगा ना देखना. तो किसी चीज़ को मिस कर देना, फेल टू सी, आप देख ना पाएँ. देन सेंटर. लास्ट वर्ड इज सेंटर. सेंटर का मतलब होता है किसी चीज़ के बीचों बीच. और तो इसका ऑपोजिट हो जाएगा बाउंड्री, चारों तरफ, एज, बाउंड्री. सो आई विल राइट द सेंटेंसेस इन द वर्कशीट एंड सेंड इट द फोटो ऑफ दिस. नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज इज इमेजिन यू आर गोइंग टू अ जर्नी टू द सेंटर ऑफ द अर्थ. इमेजिन कीजिए यानी कल्पना कीजिए कि आप एक जर्नी यानी यात्रा पर जा रहे हैं टू द सेंटर ऑफ द अर्थ. अर्थ के सेंटर में आप यात्रा करते हुए जा रहे हैं. व्हाट डू यू थिंक यू विल सी? आपको क्या दिखाई देगा रास्ते में? व्हाट वुड यू फील? और आपको कैसा लगेगा? तो यू नो द अर्थ इज़ मेड अप ऑफ स्टोन्स, सॉइल, रॉक्स, ऑल दीज थिंग्स. सो जब आप अर्थ के अंदर जाएंगे तो आपको क्या दिखाई देगा? यू विल सी स्टोन्स, रॉक्स एंड सॉइल. और जब आप अंदर जाएंगे तो कैसा लगेगा आपको? यू आर गोइंग टू अ डिफरेंट वर्ल्ड विच यू हैव नेवर सीन. ऐसी जगह जाओ जो आपने कभी नहीं देखी तो यू विल बी फ्राइटेंड, you will be scared and you'll be excited also. Okay, you have to write this in your own words. Write it in the book. not in the notebook. Next question is, your next question is, Alice follows the strange rabbit because she wants to know a number of things. आपको पता है कि एलिस रैबिट को फॉलो करते करते गई क्योंकि उसको बहुत सारी चीज़ें जाननी थी. Now there are some sentences related with this. You have to rearrange the words, and the words are jumbled. You have to rearrange the words to make the questions that Alice has in her mind and put a question mark. These are all questions which Alice is thinking about the rabbit. You have to make questions and then put a question mark in the end. The first one you see, talk rabbit how can. So you will write how can a rabbit talk and then question mark. सबसे पहले how लिखेंगे क्योंकि question word है. Question word को and you will start it with capital letter. How can a rabbit talk? Second is going is he is where. Where is he going? Okay. Where is he going? Third, read he can time the. Can he read the time? Can he read the time? D. Hurry is in a why he. Why is he in a hurry? Why is he in a hurry? And this is all. Now we have done all the exercise of the lesson. Write the question number 4 and 2 and question number 1. Okay, which questions? Question number 1, the word meaning and all this, and 2.